right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. Now, today we're back inside of our Web3Py favorites module. Let's dive back into where we left off from yesterday. Yesterday, I believe we started going over the creating a transaction. So the first thing we'll do to create a transaction is to create an object. We can call the object transaction, and we'll set it up like this. So we have transaction equals curly braces. We are leaving it blank for now, but we'll fill it out with the necessary information to deploy our favorites contract to the Ethereum network. We can also keep track of what we're doing by adding a print statement above the transaction object. This is the print statement we'll add. So we say print building transaction, as you've seen before when I ran the transaction already. Now we can start adding the necessary information to the transaction object that we need to deploy our favorites contract to the Ethereum network. The first thing we need to add is the from field, which is the address of the account that is deploying the contract. We can get this information from the account object that we created earlier. Note we will add the from field, but we'll be skipping it for now by commenting it out. We will uncomment it later when we are ready to deploy the contract. This is what we should have so far. Transaction equals from, and that's it. And we'll see why we had to comment it out later, but for now we can move on to the next field. I'm going to leave it there for now. Like I said, I don't want to move too far too fast. So we're going to dissect this thing piece by piece. So far, we have our transaction object created. And we have it set equal to the empty curly braces. And as you can see here, we added our from field, letting us know that we're going to start adding the from information, letting us know where the contract is being deployed from. So yeah, we're going to leave it there for now. We're going to pick back up tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.